M-O-N without the E-Y. By the time you leave, we have the E-Y. And of course, your real wife, Mrs. Opala, thank you so much. You are not Mrs. Okoribo. Mrs. Okoribo is Obuloria, who we have lost. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen of the press, let me thank you for joining us to celebrate this great icon, to celebrate a man that made a mark in his early days, pretending to be an old man. He needs to tell us what he used to whiten his hair and the beards, because as far back as the 70s, he was looking like a very old man. And today, you know how many years down the line, he had just managed to turn 75. So he's still a very young man, at least relative to Chief David Sofo, Clagus Ngojigwe, who spoke so well. Thank you very much, sir. I will start with you. A comment about Chief Zebrudaya coming from Anambra. I'm just getting to know him from Anambra. Our government cares very little about where you come from. But remember that what you have at Hollywood today started in Aba, Pound Road. In fact, as of the time our movie was produced, it was marketed on Pound Road, and then on the Zikiwe, and then up highway there. But today, we have lost most of those things.
Money,